This morning, we want to spend some time talking about options to help officers through this.
So KSHB 41 News reporter Jordan Betts live for us this morning at the North Kansas City Police Department where that memorial still stands. Jordan, obviously officers there processing a whole lot while still trying to do their very difficult jobs. How about other departments helping to handle this? Talk about some of the history they have.
Yeah, many departments either have maybe a therapist on staff or peer support groups to really help their officers. But you were just speaking about that memorial, and I want to show you how much that memorial has grown just here in the past 24 hours. We haven't seen anyone come by this morning, but there are balloons, dozens of flowers, American flags, and candles that stand to honor Officer Vasquez. And, you know, when talking about this is really hard for these police officers, not only here in North Kansas City, but all over the metro, because these departments work also during this time to help them with their mental health, to support them, not only during these tough times, but anytime they need someone to talk to. And at the Lenexa Police Department, they have a group of officers that they have training, that had a little bit extra training that they can be able to talk to other officers when they're struggling, and they call themselves the peer support group.
And this is an abnormal situation, even though it's happened, several times over the last years, and each one is unique and tragic when it happens. It still isn't normal when it happens. And so everyone responds differently. And so I think just being vulnerable and allowing people to just kind of express how they're feeling and just know that it's probably going to be different than how their coworkers are feeling it.
They also have people who are trained to help with dispatchers, animal services, and other law enforcement departments in Lenexa. So it's a community-wide support in Lenexa, guys.
And Jordan, we hear that a Lenexa Police Department has another way they're trying to help first responders too.
They do, and it's someone that's on their force that's pretty new and has 4 legs, and her name is Lexi. Lexi is one of, you call it almost their support animal dog. She is a golden doodle, just a couple months old. She will serve as a comfort dog for fellow officers as well as the community as well. And currently she's out at training because, of course, I had to ask if we could see Lexi, but she's out getting some extra training today, guys.
All right, Jordan, thank you. By the way, if you'd still like to help Officer Vasquez's family, you can make donations at local Price Choppers all across Kansas City. Every penny you give goes toward his family.